What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium, and welcome back to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, how good was that 50 MA pivot today? I mean, we went up, rejected, and went down. Okay, we knew we were talking to the chat all day long saying month end, if this is real. We saw the billion sell side early MOC that turned to 4 billion. We knew we were going to get some action at the end of the day there. But something interesting we are noticing 390, 390, 390, 390, 390. Okay, 61.8% fib level from the 362 low up to the 431 high, the recent little bear market rally we had. Okay, and something interesting I do want to show you is why I'm expecting a bounce at 390 is this simple trend line up here. Okay, and then the 61.8. But also, what do we have here? We had a major range that we stayed in from 370 to 390 for, I mean, it almost was like 3 weeks in here, right? It was for a long time. Okay, so this was once a major supply zone or resistance, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we dipped into this level demand and went up. Okay, this went from a, you can call it a resistance to support flip. Okay, does the same thing happen again? I believe so. I believe so. Okay, so I will be looking for a trade of 390 off of 390 to take a stab long. Now, anytime you take a call when the macro trend is down, it is a counter trend trade and should be taken and treated as such. Now, what the fuck does that mean? It's simple. Don't be greedy when you're trading counter trend. You are going against the trend. You get in and get out and do not stick around to see if the motherfucking cops show up. Okay? Bang in, bang out. See you later. Other than that, you want to fade pops in the downtrend. What does that mean? If we get a huge up day, you want to look to take puts at resistance. That is the higher, okay? That is the higher probability of profit trade to fade pops in a bear market, okay? Because in a bear market, you could slip right through supports. You can melt right through them. Okay, so tomorrow I think is all going to be about this 390 level, right? We had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, back test and rip up. Okay, so we have completely ripped from this 389.90 level. So I expect there to be some activity tomorrow. Plus, we have this nice little trend line too, which if we get a huge down candle, I mean, we're getting close, right? We're getting close to having a bounce. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. Now, what do we have in the morning? Okay, you guys should be paying attention to this now, right? We have right here initial jobless claim and continuing jobless claims. Now, why is jobless claims important? Because the Fed's monetary policy is solely based off of what? Jobs and inflation. Well, so if there's anything to do with jobs, motherfucker, do you think you should be paying attention? Goddamn yes. Really simple. Really simple. Okay. So tomorrow I would either want to fade. Okay. I'd want to fade the 50 MA again. If we got up there, not saying we do, but if we do. Okay. If not, I'd be looking for a call bounce off this level here, right? 390. 390. Okay. Levels below if 390 breaks, gets pretty ugly. I've got 384. Then we got 378. Well, 380 really, but 380, 378. And then under there, it's going to drop pretty significantly. 374, 372, slight gap here, 369. Don't think it gets there tomorrow. But it could, but I don't think tomorrow. Okay. So above the 50 MA, 400 will easily go up and try 402, then 406 or 5, whatever this at the high was on Monday, about 405, 406. Okay. Now, watch the jobless numbers come out tomorrow. Plot your pre-market highs and lows, okay? And then don't do anything fucking stupid. I won't be trading with you guys tomorrow. I'll be on a plane heading to Idaho. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the pre-market still. Peace.